to transfer money from Binance to Payoneer. Sign into your Binance account and make sure your crypto assets are in your spot or funding wallet. If not, transfer them there first. Go to the P2P section in Binance. Set your sell currency and search for buyers offering Payoneer as a payment method. Initiate the sale. If you find a P2P buyer, start the sale, enter the amount, and provide your Payoneer account details as required. If using a third-party exchange, select the crypto you want to sell and Payoneer as a payment method. Enter your Payoneer details and the amount to exchange. Transfer crypto for P2P. Wait for the buyer to send funds to your Payoneer account. Confirm receipt, then release the crypto. Third party, copy the crypto wallet address provided by the exchange. Draw the exact amount from Binance to the address and then confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, your funds will appear in your Payoneer account, typically within 10 to 60 minutes for third-party services. Always verify the recipient and use trusted platforms for security. Subscribe.